Okay, we're ready to put these dowels into this two-piece 4-foot square tabletop. And these are the dowels I finally got. I bought these at Lowe's, red oak, but the thing I like about them is they are straight. Some of the other big box stores, it's not red oak, and they're like trying to get two half moons lined up. So I put these in the drill and rounded one corner. So here we go. Put a little bit of glue on there. That's probably too much. Doesn't take much. It's all in the sound. It sounded good. Get this excess off of there. Now these dowels are a little bit on the long side, but I'll not glue the second side. That's just, it's going to be a knockdown two-part table. So I just want to have something that will give a line. One more to go. I guess I could have put 4 on there, but 3 seemed to be adequate enough, especially if the alignment isn't perfect. So these are red oak, 3/8 inch. As I say, sounds good. So we'll let those set up, and then we'll see how it all fits together. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.